Dave, thank you for your time on the phone today. Real quick, I'll just demonstrate how the press would work for your application. Again, you guys are going to be using a die, I believe, that is mounted in acrylic, okay, a .937 steel rule die. What you'll need to do is put that die on some sort of a backer board, you know, a 12 by 12 backer board, such as this piece right here, okay. You'd simply mount it on there, and then you'd put holes in all four corners, which would allow you to mount it to the top of the press. The top of the press has mounting holes in all four corners. Now, my demonstration right now, I'm actually just clamping this existing die here. I'm actually just clamping this one to the top, just for simplicity's sake, okay? But I could mount that die if I wanted to. And the way your application will work, you'll have your cutting board on the bottom. And again, we discussed that you guys would probably want a medical grade cutting board. This is simply high density polyethylene. I sent you the link to the die supply company that supplies medical grade cutting boards. So your cutting board will be on the bottom. And that cutting board, you can just slide it in, slide it out, slide it in, slide it out. You put your raw material on the bottom. Now for this demonstration, I'm simply going to cut a piece of paper. So I'll put the paper on the cutting board, I'll slide it in, I'll cycle the press, pull it out, and at the end I get a nice clean cut. This cut, I think this is a CD sleeve, I think is what this die was designed for. Now the last thing that we wanted to talk about was the distance between the cutting board and your die, which again, once you put the backer board on that die to allow you to mount it, that's going to be 1.25 inches tall. Your distance between the cutting board and the die is going to be, you're going to have 1 inch of daylight. But again, you don't have to stick your fingers in and out because you can slide the cutting board in and slide it out. I'm going to send this video link to you and then I'll give you a call to discuss. Thank you.